In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect phone number to Sephora account. By the end, your number will be attached to your profile so you can receive account updates and easier verification when you shop. First, sign in to your Sephora account. If you are on a computer, you will see the sign in option near the top right of the Sephora homepage. On mobile, the sign in option usually appears in the main menu. Enter your email and password for Sephora. Then confirm you are logged in by checking that your name or account icon appears at the top. A quick tip here, if the page seems stuck after you sign in, wait a few seconds since Sephora sometimes needs time to load your account dashboard fully. Once you are signed in, go to My Account. On most screens, you will find My Account near the top menu or within your profile icon menu. When you click into My Account, the page changes to show several sections related to your profile, like orders, beauty insider information, and saved addresses. This is where Sephora keeps all your personal settings in one place, so whenever you want to adjust your contact information, this is the hub you return to. From there, select Account Details. After you click it, the view should shift to a page that focuses on your core personal information. You will typically see your name, email address, and sometimes your birthday or communication preferences. If you do not see account details at first glance, scroll a little within My Account, since it can appear partway down the page. When you are in the right place, you will notice that this section is more about who you are, not your orders or payment methods. Now click Edit Personal Info. This option usually appears as a link or button inside the account details section. Once you select it, the fields on the page change from plain text into editable boxes. That is your sign that the page is ready for updates. Beginners often overlook that they are in view-only mode, so make sure you really see the text boxes before typing, or your changes will not go anywhere. Next, enter your phone number. You will see a dedicated field labeled Phone or Phone Number waiting for your digits. Type the full number carefully, including your area code. If your region uses country codes, check whether there is a separate drop-down for that, or if the field expects only your local number. After you finish typing, take a second look at the number, since a single wrong digit can stop text messages or verification codes from reaching you. Finally, save your changes. Look for a button on the page labeled Save or Save Changes and click it once. The page will refresh or show a brief confirmation message, and your updated phone number will now appear in the account details section. You have now connected your phone number to your Sephora account for smoother sign-in and notifications. So if this walkthrough helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Sephora tips.